Hello, my name is Tiffany and welcome to Keystone. In this video, I'm here with Dennis Urban, CDT, and we're going to demonstrate the correct mixing ratio of Keystone's Diamond D high impact acrylic.
Thank you, Tiffany. The correct ratio is a 3-to-1 ratio, which is 30 cc's of powder and 10 milliliters of liquid. Today we'll be mixing for 2 dentures, so we're going to double the amounts to 60 cc's and 20 milliliters. I want to stress the importance of mixing the acrylic accurately, because if it is not according to the instructions, it will have a negative effect on the final denture. First thing you need to do is take the acrylic container, tumble it, and turn it clockwise. What this does is distributes the fibers evenly, so you have a nice even consistency when you mix the acrylic. Next thing you do, you take your 60 cc's of polymer and pour it into your 20 milliliters of liquid. Very slowly, pour in the polymer. This way it absorbs all the dry spots. You keep on mixing until you have a nice even consistency. And make sure all these dry spots are absorbed by the monomer. You want to cover it. You let that sit for 8 to 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to pack your denture. It's been about 10 minutes since we mixed the acrylic. It should be ready to pack the denture now. Let's check the consistency. As you can see, the consistency is just right to pack the denture. What you don't want is a snap stage. As you can see here, it's pulling apart very evenly, and it's still soft enough to pack the denture. With the correct use of Diamond D high impact acrylic, you can achieve the same quality results time after time.
Thank you for learning about the correct way of mixing Diamond D high impact denture acrylic. You can get more information about this product and order it online, all at KeystoneIndustries.com, or call us at 800-333-3131.